Hi guys, Retro Django here. In today's video, we're gonna talk about this beautiful retro PC. It's a compact desktop that I got from my dear friend Jesper. Tak skal du have, Jesper. So this computer, according to its previous owner, should be dead. It should start up, but give no sync to the screen. So let's see if we can fix it in this video. So, just a black screen can mean many different things. It can be bad motherboard, bad CPU, bad RAM, bad graphic card. So it's just open up, but it can also be some cards that are inserted. We can see we have got some network, audio, SCSI. Let's try removing all the extra cards and give this one some power. All right. At the front, it has got this label that says that it's an Intel Pentium 3 system. And here, it says that it can go up to 100 megahertz bus, up to 500 megahertz. So it's Intel Pentium 3 between 350 to 500 megahertz CPU. As I can see, the cable for the speaker is out here. So we have got this SCSI controller card that has got this thick SCSI cable that goes up to this tape. Was it from HP? Yeah, HP tape streamer in here, which is awesome. You could make backups with tapes back then. Other than that, we have got the CD-ROM drive here. We have got a floppy disk here. The cables are they're missing. So we need to find some cables for that. Or no, they're down here. Okay. The hard disk is missing because this computer was used by a telephone company. So yeah, we have got a huge passive fan on the CPU, and it gets cooled down by this fan. So real nice setup here between 350 to 500 megahertz, which is perfect for Windows 98, Windows 95, and also MS-DOS gaming. So what we're going to do is going to reseat everything, which means take off the CPU, take off the RAM, take off the graphic card, and try. If that doesn't work, then I will remove the rest of the cards also. But this computer, I got it as a dead computer, so I would be so happy if I could save it by testing it out. So you can see here, slot 1, CPU is removed, RAM is removed, HDD graphic card removed, all the PCI slots up here removed. I'm keeping the SCSI that goes up to this tape streamer, but it can also be removed. Cleaned it. It has got this 3-com networks card. It has got this 64 megabytes of RAM. It had this 500 megahertz Intel Pentium 3, 500 megahertz, 512, and what does it say? And 100 megahertz bus. So half megabyte cache. This is interesting. Matrox MGA graphics card, and I think this is 4 megabytes of RAM, and you can upgrade it with 4 more. That's beautiful. And generic Compaq PCI sound card. I don't know which chip is inside, but I'm gonna reseat everything and give it some power. I tested, it didn't give no sync, so it was a dead computer. All right, so everything is reseated. CPU in place, RAM in place, graphic card connected, audio card, speaker connected, SCSI okay, network card, floppy drive connected, power, and everything is ready. The only thing that's missing is a hard disk, and we have got the ID cable over here. So a dead machine, everything got just cleaned in there, reseated, checked up. Let's just give it some use here. CD drive is running. We got a picture. Oh yes. And the audio works. We have got 64 megabytes of RAM. It does find the SCSI drive. You can see there SCSI HP, that's up here. awesome. Set up. So we don't have no hard disk installed. Oh man, this is great. System information. Compact desktop, EP-SP series, Sound Blaster series, I don't know. Intel Pentium 3, 500 megahertz processor, 100 megahertz bus, 512K level 2 cache, 64 megabytes of RAM. This is maybe a perfect MS-DOS gaming Windows 95, Windows 98 gaming PC. It looks great. Look at this beauty, guys. Wow, absolutely wow. You can also just lay it down and use it as a desktop computer. It's a huge cabinet compared with, or case you say in the US, compared with an Amiga 4000. It's so tiny compared to this one. Looks absolutely amazing. Another computer fully working. It's so beautiful. I have got a Danish-Scandinavian Facebook group. I'm gonna put this one in for an auction. No minimum price. All the people in there are more than welcome. Here's a screenshot. That's my Scandinavian page. Everybody's welcome. I'm gonna put this out for sale in there, and if you're interested, no minimum price. All the thousands of members are just in there so we can get a fair bid and everybody can be a part of this. If somebody says $1, it's for one. Oh, it's in Danish, so it will be 1 Danish kroners, and that's fine by me. So yeah, it's working. I could install hard disk, install MS-DOS, play some Doom, but yeah, let the next man have his or her fun with it, because my next project is in there. That's more my cup of tea. I have too many PCs like this. So thank you for watching, guys. Another PC saved. With this solution, it's a very low noise system, and it's a good looking computer. Original Compaq, Intel Pentium 3. What more, man, can you ask for? Time and date 1980. Whoa. Storage. Disk drive? Yeah, disk drive is installed. Nice. Removable data, media, IDE options, security, onboard devices, parallel port, floppy. Yeah. Beautiful stuff. PCI devices. Yes, we have got the 3-comp computer. Compact audio device. Could be fun to find out about this sound card, but yeah. Matrox VGA card. Wow, man. And of course, USB. It has got USB there. Oh, beautiful system. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Retro Django out.